like to give a very special thanks to Mattel for sending the Monster High doll to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? Today we're taking a look at a few things by Mattel. First up, Barbie's signature, David Bowie. I bought this doll from the Mattel Creations website. Right now, online, this doll has a suggested retail price of $55. However, it is also marked as sold out at the moment. On the back, we can see a picture of David Bowie showing us the inspiration for this doll. Oh yeah, you can see it in the hair, the makeup, all that. I'm a David Bowie fan. My dog is even named Bowie. I think his hair gives off Jareth vibes. Even if you're not a David Bowie fan, I think this doll has some good pieces. Like the suit. It's a light blue suit with a very wide lapel. I like the panels on the side, that little detail right there, faux buttons. Here is the view from the back. The bottom of the pants have a wide cuff. There are some really cool looking brown shoes. They are painted. There is a snap in the front. The doll is wearing a silver striped sleeveless shirt underneath with a white collar. That looks like a real tie. It's blue and silver with a red and white stripe. The shirt opens in the front with Velcro. The pants open in the back with a snap. The pants have a wide waistband, pleats in the front. I like the material. It feels very smooth. The doll wears a plastic protective shirt underneath. The inside of the jacket is lined. Definitely loving the suit. The doll itself comes with red hair, dramatic face makeup. The hair does have some product. It's kind of crunchy. The doll has painted nails, pink on one side, blue on the other. This doll is articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. As much as I love David Bowie, there is no guarantee I am going to allow this doll to keep this suit. Like most Barbie signature dolls, this doll comes with a doll stand and a certificate of authenticity, letting you know this is a gold label doll. Our friends at Mattel sent us Voltageous Frankie Stein. This is the San Diego Comic-Con Monster High doll. They were available for purchase at the convention and the Mattel Creations website. On the website, this doll was priced at $75 and is currently sold out. Let's take a look at that electrifying box art. Love it! Got a little Frankie drawing on the side, the Monster High logo on the other, and a large drawing of Frankie on the back, with all the creators at the bottom. Remove the outer sleeve to see the doll in the box. There are more illustrations and language on the back to let you know that Voltageous is back. This product is intended for adult collectors and is not intended for children under 14 years of age. It comes with a doll stand with vacuumized metal. I had no idea that's what it was called. Thank you, Monster High. The pole is clear. We have a vacuumized metal hairbrush, a mini comic book with actual pictures all on the inside. How cool is that? Frankie has a nice little grayscale with blue and green eyes and a hint of blush on the cheek. There is a lightning bolt over one eye, black lipstick. The doll has white and black hair with tinsel. Personally, I lean towards dolls without tinsel, but I understand that it's a part of the electrifying look. The doll wears a silver lightning bolt hair accessory, silver earrings, has silver bolts, wears a silver tinsel jacket, a fitted bodysuit with silver details, a shiny silver belt, and black and silver boots. This doll is fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, it is at the elbow, and wrist. Ooh, check out those gloves. Hip and knee. Frankie has rooted lashes and is totally giving us classic Monster High. Christmas has come early, folks. This is one of the 2022 Holiday Barbies. I bought this doll online at Walmart for $39.94. The box has a poinsettia theme. This is also a Barbie signature doll. On the back, we can see all the different dolls for the season. Looks like Brooklyn made the cut this year. Since all their dresses are the same, I'm pretty much shopping for face sculpts. And I thought she was just too cute. She comes with a doll stand, a certificate of authenticity, red heels, and a bright red gown. It has a pretty full skirt. We have a layer of tulle and then some petals or leaves. It's fitted at the top. There's a little tulle like flower here with a ribbon going over the neck. She has red painted nails. Looks like a model muse body with the basic 5 points of articulation. She has red hair with a little bit of a curl to it. There is a nice amount of product in it. I love the makeup. It's kind of simple. Got a nice little shadow around the eye, a soft lip color. She has green eyes, pearl earrings that are removable. Oh, and there's a little purple eyeshadow. I didn't see that before. I love her face. I think this doll is adorable. And she looks like a good match for Barbie Fashionista 165. Sorry, Savannah. Oh no. Don't worry, I ordered you a new replacement body on Amazon. Everyone, say it with me. Off with their heads. I place the dolls in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water until the head is soft enough to be removed. Place it on the new body. I wash the product out of her hair, and now she is made to move. I can get her dress back on her, but it is a tight fit. But I think she is so cute, we had to make the switch. From Barbie Life in the City, here is Layla and Pet and a fashion pack. The doll was $14.99 and the picnic fashion pack was $9.99. The inside of her box looks like a record store. We do have a DIY record store video. Just putting that out there. She is a curvy Barbie with the basic 5 points of articulation. That's movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. My doll's hair could use a little attention out of the box. She does have a silver plastic headband and a black elastic, so maybe we can just hook her up with a little puff right quick. There we go. She has painted edges. Close up, her face looks pretty good. She wears a graphic tee with a stereo and roses on it, yellow plaid pants, silver colored bracelet, and black boots. She comes with pink headphones, a blue backpack that can open, a laptop, a record, and a dog. I would have loved for this doll to come on a made-to-move body, but I feel that way about every doll. And I wish her hair was a little bit more like the TV show and the image on the box. Oh, and it would have been nice if they included her vest as well. The fashion pack comes with quite a few items, like a brown hat, a pink dress with hearts and stars, and a little ruffle skirt at the bottom, riding boots, heart glasses, a camera, brown bag that we can put stuff in, and it's finished on the inside as well. She comes with a little blanket, a hot dog on a plate, a pizza slice, and a pretzel. Personally, I think these items are the best part of this fashion pack. But I love the idea of this pack. A little bit of fashion and some fun dollhouse accessories. Last but not least, I went ahead and did it. I wasn't going to because it was $150 and you had to buy like a membership, which was another $9.99 if you didn't already have one. Because this is a member exclusive set. This is the BarbieStyle Fashion Studio and Doll Set. No more than 5,900 worldwide. Let's open it up. We have the doll and playset on one side and a photo backdrop on the other. I think this is a pretty cool idea. This is a little pocket where we can take them out. Come on, There we go. We have the scene of a photo shoot. Then there are 2 large cards with 4 more scenes included. A pink carpet event. There's a city scene on the other side and it's slightly blurred to help create a little depth. On the other card, we have palm trees with a nice blue sky. This one is pretty clear. On the other side, we have a scene from BarbieStyle's Instagram. The cards have a matte finish, which is perfect, but the cover on the pocket is kind of shiny, so you might get a little glare there when taking photos. I guess we could always just, poster putty it to the wall. We have to take this little tray out. The certificate of authenticity is located on the back, letting you know this is a Barbie signature gold label doll. The vanity is made of plastic. It's black. It has a shiny finish. There are 3 shelves on each side and 3 drawers, and they actually work. All the drawers open. Pull the little piece of plastic in the back, then push the button at the top to activate the lights. Okay, I like the working lights. It comes with a black director's chair, doll stand, a doll on a made-to-move body, with the Millie open mouth face sculpt. Her face looks pretty clean, the eyes look really good. She has blonde hair, is on a made-to-move body, comes dressed in a black and purple 2-piece outfit. The top is separate from the bottom, giving us the opportunity to mix and match pieces. She comes with 2 sports bras, a pair of jeans with real pockets in the front, belt loops, a faux button, and working pockets in the back. She comes with a green jacket. The main part is lined on the inside. It is not lined on the sleeves. It's a crop jacket with working pockets. She has clear shoes, black boots, and green sneakers. She has a tiny pink bag that can open, a white fabric bag with a silver buckle, and it does have a little snap inside so you can open it. I think this is a purse. It's a little pyramid. It can open. If it's not a purse, please let me know in the comments down below. There's a little makeup palette, looks like, I guess, eyeshadow, and it does have a mirror. There's a gold bracelet holder with a clear pole. It has 3 black bracelets and 1 large silver bracelet. I think this is pretty neat. I got something similar from Azusa Barbie. There's a gold purse. We've seen this style before. There are 2 perfume bottles. One's like a crystal clear and the other one has a little bit of a pink tint to it. They are flat on the side. Can you see that? There's a tiny little tube of lipstick, sunglasses with a printed turtle shell frame. There's a black necklace display and a necklace. It's a chain. It's a real chain, and that's pretty cool. It has a little S hook so we can open and close it. Barbie style dolls have been about $100. They've all been on made-to-move bodies, and you're getting like 2 complete outfits. With this set, we also get a doll with 2 outfits to mix and match, so I'm guessing that's the $100, and the vanity with the backdrops is the other $50. Personally, I would have loved for these items to have been sold separately, so we could choose the doll or just the vanity. But that's just me. I love options. And if you would like to DIY a vanity, we did make one about a month ago using items from the dollar store. Out of everything we've seen today, I'm gonna say the Holiday Barbie is totally my fave, with the Monster High Frankie coming in at a close second, because I just absolutely love Monster High. You're just too cute. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a few dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.